a good news that I want to inform you. Remember, I told you we'll be following the farmer that have started helping him in black soldier fly farming. I gave him, I showed him some pupae and pre-pupae, and the things are happening because they have started to fly, and there are mostly 30 or 40 flies. And the good news also is that they are able to mate. I saw them mating, maybe 4 of them, but I was able to see those kind of news. BSF is possible. If you want to start it, communicate to us so that we can also help you. And also, I want to say that it's an honor to get involved in black soldier fly farming, because I want to thank God Almighty for sharing me this kind of information. I am honored because the black soldier fly has a lot of things that if you study about it and get involved with it, you love it, and you be amazed, especially about what results or what it brings to the world. So I want to inform you guys that whatever feed you are feeding your chickens or pigs or whatever, BSF is the best. It's better than what you are feeding the chickens. So I'm telling you, because if you can have a research it on your own, and you agree with me. I want you guys to start this farming. I want you to know this farming, cherish it. I've I've been involved in black soldier fly farming for maybe 3 years now, and I'm still amazed. I'm still discovering some things that I can't imagine.